Cleaning company owners, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you two different methods to find ongoing commercial cleaning contracts. All right. So method number one. So whenever there's an office and they need cleaning requirements, if their office is dirty, they have two options. Number one, they in-house the cleaner, so they hire a part-time cleaner, or they can hire a professional company. All right. So method number one is finding commercial contracts through job posts. And when you're searching around, there's going to be two types of companies that need cleaners. All right. Number one, cleaning companies. Avoid them. And number two, offices that need cleaning. Right. So the problem with in-housing the cleaning is that number one, they have to manage the cleaners, and normally they only want part-time cleaners, and also they have to train them. They have to do all the payroll paperwork, EI, all of the paperwork of having an in-house staff. All right. If the cleaner calls in sick, no one covers them. The client has to cover all the equipment and supplies. So that takes a lot of time from the client, right? And they have to hire, interview, do inspections, all of that. And it's very inconsistent because when people have a job, they expect someone to always show them what to do, right? Versus hiring a professional company where it's right away a tax write-off. All right, so you send the invoice, it's a tax write-off. It's like buying the meal, tax write-off. All right, 100% reliable. So when you hire a professional company, which is us, we're experts at what we do. So the client can do what they do best, and we do what we do best stress-free. All right, we cover all of the equipment and ongoing supplies. All right, consistent quality. All of the inspections is on us. We take care of quick, responsive customer service. So if there's ever an issue, we take care of it right away. And there's no paperwork other than the initial contract, which is the proposal, right? And we can start right away. So there's a lot of benefits of hiring a professional company versus having a in-house staff if you're a office owner. So you have to communicate this to the decision maker when you reach out to them. All right. So there's going to be three different methods, which I'll show you. Number one, we want to call them a few times. When we call them and say, "Hi, may I please speak to the person in charge of cleaning." And then 70% of the times they transfer you right away. And then you want to ask them a question. You don't want to come right off saying, "Hi, we're a local commercial cleaning company," and blah, blah, blah. Ask them a question. Who's in charge of cleaning, right? Are you happy with the cleaning? And then you introduce yourself, right? But people don't like to be sold. Ask them a question as if you're a consultant looking to solve their problems, all right? The other method, send them a few emails to the decision maker. So I'll show you how to find the emails, all right? And a lot of websites have a contact form. So you want to copy your sales pitch, all right? So this is our sales pitch right here, all right? You guys can pause the video and listen to it, but I'm going to copy it, all right? And we want to type cleaning jobs, all right? So once you type cleaning jobs, you want to go down. You can go to Indeed. Let's try this first. We want to look for companies that need requirements for their cleaning, all right? So this is one company, so we want to copy this, all right? And we want to lock them up. All right, so they're a apartment company. So when we go back here, okay, we can call them, right? So there's one here, one number, there's another number. So they have multiple offices. So we want to click on the website and we want to find a contact form. All right, so it's right here. So right here, this is where you want to copy your message here. All right, and fill this out, submit it. All right, the other method, we're going to use a Google Chrome extension called Hunter. It allows us to find any email associated to the website. Right, so we click it. right? We have the vice president's email right here, the CEO's email, all right? Let's go here. Human resources, it's another great email, okay? And executive. So we want to collect about, I'll say 3 emails from here. So copy, and we want to go to your email, all right? And make sure it's a professional email account, all right? So it would be like rick@cleaninglaunch, all right? So click here, right? So we want to add them. We go back to the website and we find another email, all right? So this is the CEO's email. We add it, and then we want to type cleaning services, and then we come here to the pre-built message, select C to copy it, and we just put it right here. Perfect. And then you send it, right? I want you guys to send multiple every day, okay? And you guys keep doing this over and over again. So we go to jobs, and whenever you see a company that needs cleaning requirements, all right? So we found another company right here, and we want to look them up. Okay, perfect. So see, they have a number right here. So you want to call them, okay? And go to their website. Right, you go to contact, right, and you fill the pre-built message. And then add your phone number, blah, 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 submit. And now we click on the Chrome extension Hunter to find associated emails to the website. All right, so they don't have many email options here, but you want to pick at least 3, right? So you select it, add, find a few different ones, and add, all right? And when you say re-at and cleaning services, that looks like someone's replying. So that increases our chances of being the email opened, all right? So come back here, and boom, send it, okay? So that's method number 1. You keep looking around for companies that need cleaners, all right? Indeed, you go to Indeed jobs, and you do the same thing. Look at the company's email, right? Avoid cleaning companies, so Made Pro, right? Those are cleaning companies. Molly Maid, avoid those, okay? Go directly to the companies, all right? So that's method number 1, all right? Now method number 2, I call this fishing. So instead of fishing for random fish, we want to fish for whales. So you want to type your city on Google, all right? And you want to go to maps. And then you want to zoom in on areas that have roads more spread out, because there's areas with lots of roads compacted, it means that it's a residential area, right? You want to go to a commercial area and you want to find the biggest buildings. So see these small roads? Those are all residential places, right? So we want to travel a little bit. You want to go to the industrial areas, not the retail stores, the commercial areas. So see right here, it's bigger. All right, perfect. So we found some big buildings right here. All right, so SBE Canada. So we click on it. All right, and you see their number. Call them. Right, and then you go to the website. Do the same thing. Submit a contact us form and send them an email to the owner. Right. So we click on the website. Okay. And then we click Hunter, and we save these 2 emails and send them an email right away, and call them a few times. And when you guys are doing this, I highly recommend creating a spreadsheet, right? So you can follow up every several months and you can save the email, right? So maybe you can follow up in 2 months, okay? Because right now they might not need cleaning services, but in a few months from now, they might, especially if it's winter season. If it's winter and you guys have snow, it's the perfect time to offer cleaning services, right? So spreadsheets are right here. You go on Google. This is free, by the way, right? Spreadsheets. You create a new one. Okay, and you type the company's name. All right. Number. Email 1. Email 2. And then you rate the contract 1 to 10. All right. So based on the size of the building, for example, that building was a 7. All right. We copy their email and we follow up in a few months or a month and a half. All right. And you keep doing this. This is a much better way than cold calling random businesses, because you're guessing if they're a good or bad contract. Right here, we're going straight to the big whales, right? Like, why have like 30 contracts that are paying you 500 when you can have 10 contracts that are paying you 1,500 plus per month every single month? All right, guys? So that's one of many methods I show you, all right? But the biggest source that built my own commercial cleaning company insanely fast was Google AdWords. Because let me ask you a question. When you're looking for a service provider, a plumber, doctor, electrician, you go on Google. So if you're not running ads on Google, you're wasting potential clients. But the biggest problem is that people don't apply the right filters. So they're spending thousands of dollars every single month on poor quality leads, right? So whenever someone's searching for pet cleaning, car cleaning, mold cleaning, attic cleaning, couch cleaning, your ad activates and every click costs about $5. So if you don't have those filters in place, you're spending thousands of dollars on poor quality leads. And this is something we do for you, right, guys? So if you guys are asking, what does Cleaning Launch do? What do you guys do? What's your service? We help cleaning company owners scale their commercial cleaning company insanely fast. And we don't just provide a course or coaching or digital marketing services. We are like a partner, right? So we work with you. So first, we set up your website, right? And I'm sure you have an amazing website, but it's not optimized for leads. Let's say if 20% of visitors request for a quote, if you optimize your website and now you're getting double the amount of quotes, that literally doubles the amount of meetings you go to. And if you double your meetings, you double your revenue. Now, if you go to the meeting, the average closing rate is 20%, especially when we're competing for the contract against franchises that are literally charging pennies, right? So I show you the exact method to take your 20% closing rate and double that to 40%, right? Everything in the business. So what we do, we work with you, right? So we provide you an 8-week program showing you exactly what to do week 1, week 2. We go over mindset, digital marketing, doubling your closing rate, systemizing operations. Because what's the point of having a bunch of contracts? Well, that's a good problem, having a bunch of contracts, but you have no free time. The business runs you because you didn't put the systems in place. So you're constantly putting fires out. You're constantly dealing with people problems. You're constantly dealing with complaints. So I show you in the 8-week program how to do everything to build $1 million company per year fast, okay? And actually a company that you love, right? And we'll also provide you a winning proposal, right? Because when there's an executive with multiple different quotes in front of them and your contract came off the internet and you edit it, that's not good enough, right? So I show you and provide a winning proposal, all done for you. Customize your flyer for you with your information, with your logo, all right? We set up your website with your email domain, professional domain, email signature, everything in a highly optimized website. Because when first impressions do matter, all right? It's like first time meeting a girl. You go to their Instagram and you know right away which one you're gonna go to. Okay, not to be a shallow person, but first impressions do matter. So when an office owner goes to your website and you show them everything they need, getting rid of any hesitancy, gaining their trust right away, that will put you ahead, right? Everything matters. Your Google Maps reviews, that matters. Clients do their research, right? So we do everything for you, right? So 8-week program. Also, you get 8 weeks of one-on-one coaching, not group coaching, one-on-one coaching. So every week we go on video and coach you. Do this, do that, answer any question you have, right? Set up your website, your Google Ads. And Google Ads, I already explained how much money we would save you, but we collected over 400 negative keywords, okay, which cost me about $6,000 to $12,000 over time, and we apply that. So you don't spend money on pet cleaning, mold cleaning, car cleaning, right? We have those 400 words and apply multiple filters. So you only spend money on commercial leads, all right? Guys, I was spending about $600 a month, and this is the exact same method. I built $1 million company per year, cleaning company, all right? And everything's done for you. So for the next 2 months, we literally take your hand and take you from point A to point B. All right, guys? So if you found value from this, schedule a call with either myself or one of my consultants, and we'll go over exactly how we can work together so we can help you grow your cleaning company now. All right? And I'm not talking about residential jobs, one-time cleans. I'm talking about the big fish, the big whales, commercial contracts that pay every single month. Anyways, guys, talk soon.